Society, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Fraud means acts committed by a party to a contract or with his connivance or by his agents with intent to deceive another party thereto or his agent or to induce him to enter into the contract. Characteristics of fraud. Suggestions of untrue fact. Suggestion of a fact which is not true or believe it to be not true. Example, Y with an intention to deceive X falsely represented 100 quintals of cotton bales in his godown, thereby inducing X to buy the godown. The contract is voidable at the option of B. Active concealment. Active concealment of a fact by one having knowledge or belief of the fact. Ram, while working on the field of Rahim, discovered some hidden jewelry and concealed the fact. Later on, he managed to purchase the field from Rahim. This contract is voidable at the option of Ram. False representation. There must be a false representation or assertion. If the representation is true when it is made but become untrue to the knowledge of the party making it, then it must be corrected, otherwise the party can rescind it. C. Make an untrue statement to D with the intention of inducing D to enter into a contract with him. This amounts to fraud. Example, C offers to sell D a painting as original work, which only C knows is a good copy of a well-known masterpiece. D agrees to buy thinking it original. Held, D may rescind the contract. Intent to induce. The representation must have been made before the conclusion of the contract with an intention to induce other party to act on it. Reckless act. The person making the representation knows it to be false or makes it recklessly, not caring whether it is false or true. Other party induced. The other party must have been induced to act upon the representation. A businessman truly represented to be a prospective buyer that his business turnover was rupees 20 lakhs a year. 5 months later, when B bought the business, it has considerably gone down on account of A's serious illness. A did not disclose this fact to B. B may avoid the contract as A ought to have disclosed the fact. Party deceived. The other party must have relied upon the representation and was deceived. A mere attempt to deceive is not fraud unless the party was actually deceived. Example, S brought an electric oven from P. The oven was defective but P had fixed it up. S did not check the oven and started using it. The oven was completely destroyed. Held, the oven was destroyed due to other cause and not for the problem which has been already fixed up by P. So S has to pay for the oven. Damage suffer. The other party acting upon the representation must have suffered loss. There is no fraud without damage. committed by a party to the contract. It must have been committed by a party to the contract or anyone with the connivance of a party to the contract. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.